messed with my daughter, and now I am going to fuck you!
Well, this just got interesting.
It's fuck you up, Dad.
Wait, what did I say?
Oh, this is the first time she's called you in years. This has to be perfect. Hey, bitch!
She's my girlfriend.
Oh, my golly. You like girls. So do I. We have so much in common. You put her there, Maggie. Absolutely. Oh, I'll be there in an hour. My daughter wants to see me. Take that, depression.
In all of creation. Well, your first wife didn't seem to hate what I had to offer. For the second, take your little friends and go home. Please. So, who's up for pancakes?